and Akanksha actually we spoke to each other for almost 4 days, and we had started liking each other a lot. We met for the first time in Mumbai.